With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, our question gives that a vessel of depth D is first filled to 2 by 3rd of its depth with a liquid of refractive index 3 by 2, and the rest of the vessel is filled with another liquid with a refractive index 4 by 3. What is the apparent depth of the inner surface of the bottom of the vessel? Here 4 options are given regarding the value for the apparent depth. Okay, first of all, we can draw the diagram what is given in the question. So, I am going to draw a vessel here. Okay, I am going to draw a vessel. Okay, so that will be more easy to understand. Okay, so this be the vessel and total depth is D. So, total depth of the vessel is D. Okay, up to D by 3, up to 2 by 3 of the depth. 2 by 3 of the depth, one liquid is filled. Okay, this depth, this height is 2 by 3 of D. And its refractive index, let it be mu2, sorry, it's mu. Its refractive index is given by mu2 is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, on the upper surface, another liquid is filled. Another liquid is filled, and this distance here up to this it is 2 by 3 and this distance become 1 by 3 D, and this refractive index is mu1. Mu1 is equal to 4 by 3. We are asked to find the apparent depth. Okay, let an object be placed here. Okay, and okay, let this be the normal here. I will use another color. This be the normal here. Okay, so what happened is that when an observer observed, the light ray comes like this. So the light ray from this object go like this, and at this interference what happens, at this point what happens, it will deflect. Okay, okay, on joining this line, extrapolating this line, so this is the point. This be the apparent depth of the, okay, let me draw the diagram, the filling once again. Okay, so in this figure, this is the first light ray coming from that object placed at the bottom. So this is the light which is refracted in the medium, in the second liquid, and when we extrapolate that light, the position point becomes here. So this is a new point, and this is the apparent length, apparent depth A1. Okay, so apparent depth A1. So this is the apparent depth. This point is apparent depth A1. Okay, I will use another color. Apparent depth A1. Okay, this distance is apparent depth A1. So apparent depth A1 is equal to apparent depth A1 equal to, what is equation? Real depth, that is a real height. Okay, divided by refractive index of second medium to, that means the lower medium to upper medium, mu21. What is real depth? The real depth is this height, that is 2 by 3 D. So A1 equal to 2 by 3 into D. Mu21, what is mu21? Mu21 is equal to mu2 divided by mu1. What is mu2? It is 3 by 2. Mu1 is 4 by 3. So it is 9 by 8. So 9 by 8. So we get 16D divided by 27. So the first apparent depth A1 is equal to 16D divided by 27. Okay. So when the light ray reaches this point, what happens? It will refract through the outer surface. So here also again bending happens. So what happens here? Here also bending happens, and it will, I will extrapolate this value, and bending happens. towards outward. So the light come outward from this direction, and when we extrapolate, this is another point, and this is apparent depth A2. So this distance be apparent depth A2. Okay, so we can find the apparent depth A2. So this is a real depth we need to know here. Okay, A2. So we get apparent depth A2 is equal to apparent depth A2 is equal to real depth. Here real depth means the distance of the that means the depth, the height of the second liquid having refractive index mu1 plus A1. Okay, so it is D by 3 plus A1 divided by what is the first surface? First surface is mu1 and second surface is air. So refractive index of air is equal to 1. So mu 1 divided by refractive index of air, that is mu1 itself. So it is mu1 is 4 by 3. Okay, then we can solve D by 3 plus what is A1? A1 is 16, D divided by 27 whole divided by 4 by 3. Okay, on calculating and taking reciprocal LCMs here, we get 25D divided by 36. So this is the apparent depth we obtained after viewing from the second, that means topmost liquid. So what is the value here? Okay, so here our option C is the correct answer, 25D divided by 36. Okay.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.